Alright, the Basement Gourmet. We're going to do some chicken Parmesan. Okay? So we got a little this normal boneless, skinless chicken breast here. What I like to do is I like to take them and I cut them down the middle here. Kind of thin them out a little. Kind of fillet them out. Okay? Take our mallet. Cut them out a little. Flip them over a little pound. My mine's already pretty thin. There you go. Like to do that. Now we're going to do some pasta with this chicken Parmesan, of course. Got some water boiling back here. We got some different little organic whole wheat pasta. Going healthy on y'all here. I'm going to try it out. We're going to do a whole pound here. A whole pound of spaghetti. Down in there. For about 9 minutes. Just good to go. Alright, so we're going to bread this chicken up. What we're going to do is going to hit it with some salt and pepper. Roll that chicken real good. Go ahead and hit it in our seasoned all-purpose flour. You want some egg wash. We want our seasoned breadcrumbs. Alright. Put them on the pan here. Go ahead and bread up the rest of it. Now we're going to do this chicken Parmesan. Get the pan fired up here. A little oil. Butter. Chicken. Couple pieces in there. Let's do a single order here. This is what I usually do for one person. Right there. Got our pasta finished off over here. I'll stand by. And some of our Basement Gourmet tomato sauce back here, ready to go. Also going to need a little Parmesan cheese with some provolone. Turn. Brown there. What we'll do, take a little bit of our Basement Gourmet tomato sauce, put on top. Okay. A little parm. Provolone. Alright, throw a lid on it, turn that heat down. Pretty good there. Maybe a little bit more. Get that off on a platter here. to do, I like to do my pasta. I like to do the same pan. So do a little butter in there, some garlic. That's going real good. Okay. Some of our Basement Gourmet tomato sauce. Single order of pasta here. We're going to do several batches here. We're just going to show a single order here. Heat that through. It's looking good. We're in our bowl here. Pasta. A little more Parmesan on that. There you have it. Basement Gourmet, chicken Parmesan with some pasta.